in the pursuit of quality, we put in 73 tractors in different states for about 70,000 hours, which is equivalent to 12 years of testing. So when you make a tractor, when you design a tractor of this caliber, how does it stack up against the competition? That's the obvious question the farmer will ask. So here we are going to show you a quick check on how does it compare with some of the multinationals. We'll start with the torque, which is 237 Newton meter as compared to 193 and 200 for the competition. Good 20% improvement, allowing you to use the tractor even in the hard soil with big implements. If you go to the fuel efficiency, lower the number, better here. So 181.9 compared to 212 and 196. To make it a little easier, if I convert this into savings, you will easily save about 1,48,000 rupees over 1 year in a plowing kind of application. So you can imagine how much the farmer can earn more. Air cleaner size is much bigger, 8 inches versus 7 inches. Now this allows you to collect the dust for a longer time, increasing the service interval. Similarly, the coolant capacity is bigger at 10.6, allowing the engine to get cooled much better and hence run the longer hours. All this translates into the tractor being used for long hours during season, and the service interval for Arjun Novo has gone up to 400 hours against 300 hours, whooping 33% increase in the service interval time. If you look at the transmission, Arjun Novo comes with a synchromesh transmission as compared to conventional constant mesh. The synchromesh transmission allows you to shift the gears on the go like a car, vis-a-vis a constant mesh where you have to stop and change. On the transmission front, if you look at the number of gears, Arjun Novo has 15 plus 3, which is 18 gears, whereas John Deere has only 12 and New Holland has only 15. What it allows you to do is use the implement with the right speed to get the right quality of output on the field. The clutch size in this is also bigger at 12 inch versus 11 inch for the competition. Again, this reduces the wear and tear of the clutch and allows smoother transmission of power. Lift capacity is 2200 kg versus that of John Deere at 1967 and New Holland is just 1246. All this needs to be done where a farmer can put in long hours. Now for that he needs a comfortable platform, which Arjun Novo has. It has a full platform, it has a deluxe seat and very easy access, entry and exit from the tractor, which both John Deere and New Holland does not have. So ladies and gentlemen, we have made the tractor in India. And of course, it's made for the world.